So this is question number 4. What is the maximum volume of sulfur dioxide gas measured at room conditions produced from burning 100 joule cube of diesel fuel containing sulfur? So the mass of sulfur is given to you, that is 0.8346. I'm going to find out the moles first. The MR or AR of sulfur is 32.1. So when you are dividing 30.8346 divided by 32.1, so that would be equal to 0.026 mole of sulfur. Since you know that the mole ratio between sulfur and sulfur dioxide is 1:1, so it would be the mole of sulfur dioxide as well. And I'm going to find out the volume. So volume would be equal to mole multiplied by 24,000. Why 1,000? Because they are asking in terms of centimeter cube. So you are supposed to divide multiply your mole by 24,000 centimeter cube. So you would be getting your answer. 0.026 into 24,000 is gonna give you 624 centimeter cube. So option D is correct, right?